let's take a look at the joins now. So we're going to look at the inner, left, right, and full joins that we can use for these tables. Okay, so all we have here is our, what do we have? We have our customer overview here. Okay, and I've added an extra customer here, S003, and you'll notice I have now made an address table, and that S003 customer is not in here. That's so we can show you the difference between the joins. Okay, so let's do one here. So we've got our customer overview, and let's inner join our addresses. So let's say on customer code is equal to customer code. So what we've said here is we want to take the customer code from customer overview, which is here, and we want to take the customer code from the addresses table, which is here. That's how it's going to match our records. But what we need to do before that is we actually need to tell it what table these are, because we're using the same one. Inner join on. Yeah, that's just delete, put addresses. Okay, so we're going to get ambiguous return here. This is because it doesn't know which customer code is where, because it's already been looked for in two different tables. So we can specify what we want these to be. So I can just change this to customer overview, and I can change this to addresses. And now it knows what we're talking about. So what this inner join has just done, it's compared the records from the customer overview and the addresses, and it's only returned us records that match each file. So you'll notice that S003 customer is not here. Okay, so let's do the left join. Okay, and now you can see S0003 is back, and this is because when you do a left join, it returns all the data from the left table, in this case customer overview, and from the right table it will match back. It will match back all the matches. Okay, so let's do a right join. Okay, and as you can see here, this brings back all of the data from addresses, and it brings back the matching records from the left. So you can see we've got all the information, and then we can also do a full join. And so what this is going to do is going to return all the records where there is a match in the right or the left. So in this case, it's going to return all the results again.